We're going to show you 3 ways to market the websites free for your products. These websites that we're going to show you, there are 3 websites that advertise your product for free year-round. Free promotional websites are what we're about to introduce you to. Step 1. Let's go to our first website. The Marketplace is the first website. It is owned by Facebook. The Marketplace. Let's look at this website. Facebook Marketplace. It is owned by Facebook, but it is not your account. They have free promotions. Set up an account and enjoy free customers for life. Facebook Marketplace is not your Facebook account. This is a marketplace for products and services. You will always love it. Completely free for life, private, linked with your Facebook account. Facebook Marketplace is what I'm about to show you now. Let us go to this website in live tutorial right now. Welcome. See how now the Facebook Marketplace at this time. Pay attention. Hello my friends, this is the Facebook Marketplace website 1. This is the Marketplace website 1. This website is facebook.com/marketplace/. Please remember. Let's go to our second promotional website that will introduce you now. This website is for local news, garage sales, home services and products. It's called Nextdoor. This website is known as Nextdoor. It's a local neighborhood, just like the Marketplace. You will see tremendous amount of feedback. You can set up your account here. Set up your account for Nextdoor right here. www.nextdoor.com is your second website for marketing, my friends. This is a very essential. I have highlighted it for you. And local marketing and tutorials are available. It is trusted. This website is one of the best. You'll have to set up your account here. Let's look at our next website. We're taking you to Oodle, the third website, my friends. You're going to be here. www.oodle.com, third website. I'm showing you the Oodle Marketplace right now, my friends. Oodle. So I have taken you to oodle.com, where you will set up for your products and your advertisements at this local market arena, and it is very user friendly. You will advertise all your products. You don't have to be a big company. Each item has a different price point and they have different categories. This is a classified ad system and many people enjoy shopping here worldwide. All you have to do, I'm going to scroll up, is go here and set up an account. Oodle is a very nice website. Classifieds. Do you want more marketing tips? If you want more tips, you will have to order our tutorial guide at this time. If you want more marketing tips, you will have to order our guide. Buy our guide for your marketing tips by emailing us right now, and we will take you to the email at this time. Buy our guide by emailing us now for $650. For our tutorial guide, you will pay $650 and it will be emailed to you within 48 hours of receiving your email purchase. You can order our marketing guide for $650 with more marketing tips. Go ahead and email us at this email ID. Go ahead and email us at this email ID, pamela.puja.sharma@gmail.com, to purchase your guide. Go ahead and email us.